Hello guys and welcome to my channel Tech Attack. In this video I am going to talk about a feature which will help you write more codes in less time. So without further delay, let's get started. So in this video I am going to talk about a feature called emmet. Uh, this feature actually is a shortcut type. Let me show you with an example. Say I have to create a tag called div with a id of page, and it has a child of name, which again has a child of ul, and it has a child of li with class of say say p uh, say page link and content of page with page number, and there will be 5 pages. So it has generated a snippet which has the required tags in it. So if I press enter, it has generated the snippet. So how does it work? How to work with it? Well, there is a documentation page available in its official site docs.emmet.io cheat sheet. So you can follow up the cheat sheet to know how it works. There are a lot of things in this cheat sheet. So actually I have figured out the emit feature just today, so I don't know much about it, but I will gradually learn about it. And if you are willing to get a tutorial from my channel, then please comment in the comment section. And there are also a lot of other tutorial videos present in YouTube, so you can also follow them. So this is for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.